Today, take a look at the wireless HD transmitter and receiver kit. So we got our user manual that is in full color. We have our transmitter and our receiver. So the RX is receiver, TX is transmitter. Those are HDMI plugs. I do like that they have those caps on there. And we got our power plugs in the side. Those are both USB-C. We got two cables. Those are both USB-A to USB-C. And we have an HDMI extension cable. This is actually a flat cable, which is very nice. So I'm going to plug power into the receiver and plug that into my display. And then we'll plug in power and connect that to the laptop. Okay, so the laptop did see it. And there we go. So that actually paired up nice and quick. So right now it is mirroring, so everything I do on the laptop is the same thing as happening on that display. If I want to add that as a secondary display, go to display settings and go to extend these displays. So now I can open up files and folders on my main display, and I can drag those over to my secondary display. So for me, the main use case is going to be something along the lines of I want to sit on the couch and I want to play on my laptop, but I want to have a secondary screen. Well, I can just take this and I can basically cast this directly to my television, use that as my secondary display. And with this working this fast, this is an excellent little transmitter. I am very happy with that.